Yo, what's up? This is me, Owen B. So finally, welcome to our first vlog. So heto naman tayo dito sa Wake Up Call Cafe. Pinakamalakasan at pinakamagandang tambayan at cafe shop and study bar right here in Studio. So as you can see, marami talaga yung mga people. And eto na, masarap talaga. Sheesh! And at the same time, study mode muna tayo. So, ATM, nag-study ako ng surveying dahil exams bukas. And, let's go. Kukunin naman natin. So, ano kaya yung kukunin natin? And, let's eat our very, very late dinner. Yung talaga sa shoutout kang boss, Reynaldo. So, i-zoom in natin yung menu if you want to check out their menu right here. So, hindi gaanong mahal and maraming mga choices right here. So, you can choose espresso or frap or any breakfast or mga pasta meals. And meron pa, you can also take some drinks or some sweets right here. As you can see dito. Then, at the same time, meron pa yung pancit canton. Kahit ano pa ang mga choices of food. And, di na tayo magtatagal pa. Let's get and bring our dinner. I mean a very very late dinner sa ating table. Dahil kakain muna tayo dahil sobrang gutom na talaga. Too much studying makes me drain my stomach and mind syempre. Yun. Yun, masarap talaga. Goods talaga yung yung silog natin, yung long silog plus meron pa yung iced coffee natin and kain tayo. Yun, so masarap talaga eh. So that's really nice, syempre. So of course, dapat may rice. Dapat parisin talaga yung longganisa at egg with rice, syempre, para mabusog and malusog tayo, di ba? And tapos na po yung dinner natin. So of course, as a courtesy, I would like to teach you all, mga idols, na you every time tapos kumain, you have to return it na lang para at least hindi ganong mabigat sa side ng mga waiters or mga baristas, and also a sign of respect naman. And back on our table naman, so parang antok na talaga, pero there's always yung panlaban natin na iced coffee. Yan. Oy. Parang nabaliw na talaga. Syempre baliw na talaga yung yung taong ito dahil sa sobrang haggard talaga at stress ng ng mga activities, mga ACADS o mga marami pa. Baliw na talaga. And another point of view naman, so eto, ATM, nagsa-study tayo, parang halos walang maintindihan. Ay, meron pa yung differential equations. My God, sakit yan sa ulo eh. It's, foundation of success? No. It's foundation of suffering pala dito sa sa FOS natin. At the same time, sa DE, inverse differential equation, naging death experience. Ay, nako. So, back to our FOS naman. So, currently, nagre-review tayo. Pero parang walang talaga maintindihan dahil hoping talaga na walang mental block. And it's actually morning na pala. So, nagsilabasan naman mga tao dito. And, yon. So, ito pala yung yung kasama natin na nursing. So, shout out, maganda talaga. Actually, nursing student ito from CU. I guess, Nikki yung pangalan nito. Sheesh, ang ganda talaga. So, good luck sa atin dahil exams din sa kanila yung yung time na ito. And, yon. So, back on our side, mag-study naman tayo for a while. Then, at the same time, yung schedule, napaka-busy or napaka-hectic talaga yung schedule. So, meron naman yung bagong coffee natin. And, yun, dahil kulang talaga ng ice or parang it's getting warm. Syempre, magre-refill naman tayo ng ice. Syempre, so shoutout kang boss and shoutout sa mga barista dito. So, eto naman, syempre, may maganda na barista. Syempre, shoutout kang Patrice. Yon. So, bro, parang seryoso na talaga siya sa kanyang work. So anyways, going back, sulat-sulat naman dahil parang medyo effective. I'm not sure if really effective yung sulat-sulat. Then here are the notes, the freedom wall nila. So as you can see, it's more of the mga nursing o sa mga boarding exams sa nursing. So good luck sa ating mga future nurses. And labas naman tayo. We're on the way to school. So meron tayo dito sa labas ng CM Recto Avenue. So labas ng Ayala Centrio Mall. And shout out din sa mga workers and mga papasyal sa Centrio Mall and sa Teleperformance, one of the most leading call centers of the world. France-based talaga. So grabe. And sheesh, parang nakakita tayo ng napaka-blackout talaga na Subi WRX. So grabe. Sheesh. All black. Tapos dual pipe talaga. Woohoo! Parang makakasana all nga. Sexy talaga eh. And actually meron na tayo dito sa labas ng exam room natin sa USTPCDO. So yun. So yung iba nag-aantay pa sila ng ng time nila para mag-take ng test. So ayun. So meron pa tayo sa labas at the same time pahangin. Then let's turn. So ito naman yung La West Bra, as you can see. So maraming board dito. At the same time, ito yung grounds ng university natin. So yun. Overlooking, no? So at least meron pa mga mga punong kahoy, at least not really as hot talaga. And yun, nagsilabasan na yung mga tao dahil tapos na yung mga exams nila. So shoutout sa mga classmate ko, sila Kazel, sila Lyra at si Chayla. So ayun. So those are the types na so serious talaga sa notes, as in nakasulat, then walang-wala, I mean chill lang. Sheesh, sana all chill. And naka-cellphone as notes, parang integrated na talaga. Everything is integrated at the phone. And yun, tapos na yung exam. So hindi ko na video yung mga pangyayari kanina. So actually, bread break muna tayo. So we are at New Leaf, so kain muna tayo ng bread dahil gutom. And later on, umuwi ako pero hindi ko na film. So actually, meron na tayo sa Kogon. So heto naman yung area in which masarap talaga yung mga barbecues. So by the way, you can pass through Osmeña Street if makaka-familiar. So you can see BDO Osmeña. So going to the side ng Nazareth or Pakogon, you can turn right, then you can experience talaga yung mga masasarap na barbecues at maraming mga grilled food dito. So actually, it's every night. And ayun, so after a minutes of walk, so balik naman tayo dito sa Corrales Street. So you can see Station 29, tambayan, at the same time kainan. So here is the street na maraming mga nightlife dito. So makikita talaga mga inuman, at the same time tambayan. And meron pa mga coffee shop dito. So guess where are we going to stay after a few minutes? Ayan, balik naman tayo dito sa pangmalakasang wake up ko. So ano naman, matcha latte, tapos may tosilog, so masarap talaga. So this time, yun, marami naman mga tao dito dahil free wifi, then malamig, then it's a very nice workplace. And ubos talaga yung iced coffee or iced matcha latte natin. So ayun. So it says don't watch the clock, do what it keeps going. So that's according to Sam Levinson pa. So napaka nice talaga yung branding ng cup nila. So wow. And I think that's also shout out naman sa mga staff na napakaganda, napaka-friendly, and of course, they are the best and they serve the best. So that's all. Thanks for watching.